Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Castle Collectors here. We are at Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort.
Can I tell them what's gonna happen?
Yeah.
We're gonna go see the castle and ride some rides.
We are! So, it is about 8 o'clock in the morning. We purchased Disney Genie Plus this morning for the Magic Kingdom. So it was $29 per person. I did that at 7 o'clock this morning. It's our first park day this trip. We got in yesterday. We are having brunch this morning at 1900 Park Fair, which is a newer character experience. They actually just reopened with Mirabelle, and I believe it's Cinderella and maybe one more princess. We are waiting for a minivan. I just called that through Lyft. It was about $40 to get directly picked up at our cabin and over to breakfast at Grand Floridian, and then we'll walk from there over to Magic Kingdom. I prefer to do minivans when you're staying on a property like this because it saves a ton of time, especially if you're going resort to resort. It does obviously cost a little bit, but it's so worth it. We also have our dog with us on this trip. So our little angel Haha is here, and the cabins are fully dog friendly. She turns 14 soon, so we like to bring her with us wherever we go, and she is having the best trip here.
We buy Haha a little stroller. And
we did. We got her a stroller to make it easy to get around. So we're going to take you guys with us everywhere, heading to the Grand in a few minutes.
How are you today, Tom?
Oh, wonderful, thank you. How about you guys?
I can't believe that we have the mini one.
I know. Like, I know. It's gigantic. It's like, yeah, it's maybe Riviera size.
Yeah. I think they're building up.
It's a lot of work today.
Really. Parking lots over here. They're doing some major construction. Up there.
They literally just redid the wall. Mobile check-in, and now we are just coming to say we're here. Yeah, this was all, oh wow.
Beverage menu for you.
Thank you.
And we'll have her sit right here so she can get a close glimpse of the characters. And here's a wish card for you if there's a wish you want to write down and share with our
Wow.
friends. And
Alright. So we have our buffet here. Bread pudding. Cinnamon pull-apart bread, please. Oh, this is good. Oh, yeah. Bacon and sausage. Eggs. Here. Ooh. Oh, I love tofu scramble.
Super clean. Like, it's my other thing with buffets, but super, super clean. Like, really clean. Clean.
I I got myself a espresso martini, and you might have heard in the past me bad-mouthing espresso martinis. The reason I decided to get this today is because it's made with rum, which I don't feel like I see a lot. Very good.
This is the French 75, which is also really good. It's a champagne cocktail, so it's champagne and there's some other liquor in there. And then just like lemon juice and sugar, but it's not sweet. I hate like Disney sweet drinks. This,
Make sure you keep
oh,
your eyes out.
yeah, we're going to. Maybe we'll find her in the Magic Kingdom.
Yeah. We do have to stop by over here.
Yes.
What about Abu and the magic carpet? Where are they at?
You know, I left Abu back in the palace. This is with Raja right now. Raja's on Abu sitting duty. I thought this was the best, because you know, this is
It is.
so if I brought him here, he wanted to show everyone his best magic trick, and he makes all the food is here. It's really an unbelievable sight.
That's amazing!
Excited!
Hola, familia!
Hello.
That's so cool! I need some elephants. What do you think? Where should I put my elephant? Maybe right here? It's so cool. I have a jaguar, and I have a bar, and I have a snake. Look.
Ooh, a snake.
My favorite one. I like elephants. See what it
Don't forget to show her your necklace.
Oh, yeah! Oh, that's sweet! It's a mirabelle!
We released this especially for you today.
I love it! Yes, the butterfly too. Oh, I have to tell my family.
Yeah.
Especially Isa. She's gonna be so excited. And we can say cheese, or we can say queso. Oh my goodness. Queso. Thank you for visiting. So wonderful.
I can tell that you're a princess, is that right? No, were you part of princess? Did you kiss a frog like me? We didn't kiss a frog. It's all right, honey.
We're excited for your new ride.
Although we'll be bees knees. Can I see you there, sweetheart? Before we go down the bayou together, should we try some pumpkins together too, honey? Would you like to join me? Take a picture.
Oh, thank you, Tiana. Happy.
Thank you for coming back, Jay. Can I wait you, Jay?
Can I have a hug, please? I think I should be on next to you. Take a picture with Snow White? Smile with Mommy. Thank you, Snow White.
Hold your wish high in the air. That's it. Wish granters, go on and help them out if they need it. Wow! Look at all those amazing glittering wishes. Magnificent! Next, in your best wishing voice, nice and loud now, repeat after me. I wish my wish. As wish makers do. And believe in myself
And believe in myself.
to make it come true. Beautifully done. Wishes. Some happen right.
We just finished an amazing breakfast, and we are now walking to the Magic Kingdom.
Let me give my review of breakfast. I loved it there. It is probably my second favorite now recommendation for a character breakfast. I still like the Riviera. They do a very similar breakfast, and it's actually not a buffet still, which I like better. Meeting Mirabelle was pretty exciting even for me, not gonna lie, because we haven't been able to see her dress in person. Food was good, not a ton of offerings, like still way better than most of these buffet breakfasts. I loved it.
I said to Mallory right away, no running. What did she do right away? She started to run. About to hop on our first ride of the trip, the Great People Mover, Mallory's favorite, 5-minute wait.
Please supervise younger beings. Stay clear of the doors, which was
Doesn't get much better than this.
Funded by Enterprise. I'm Borak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky. Absolutely best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see?
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board.
Off my gravity polarizer.
Next station is Tomorrowland Cruise Way and Star Trek. Transfer to Green Express train keeps on rolling for the future. First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing.
And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World.
Look, there's even a tiny people mover.
I wonder if that means there's a tiny Borak. A good circuit. And these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light speed competition.
Great job with those bubbles.
Oh, the bubbles are in my photo. That's amazing.
That is really nice.
We're gonna get on the carousel.
Getting set to jump on the carousel.
You get on this one. Daddy, do you want to hold us and Mommy will ride next to her?
Next stop is the barnstormer.
There you go. Go ahead, Angel.
Jade's first big Disney World coaster.
Yeah, Jade's first roller coaster.
In Disney World, we did one in Land.
Barnstormer. Okay, we just got off the barnstormer. Jade was holding on for dear life to me the entire time. She said she wanted to do it again after a little while. I'm going on Tron. I can't believe this. I'm extremely nervous because I don't do well with roller coasters.
It was $20.
It was $20 for me to ride this ride, but I'm ready to go. Mallory and I just rode Tron separately.
We're about to go under the sea. Are you having the best Disney day? Yeah! Yeah? Are you excited to go under the sea with Ariel? Yeah!
Fishing nipple is lucky. Day for a worse thing. Under the sea we have to hold ya. We got no trouble.
Like Disney bubbles! Under the sea!
Since life is new.
We're getting in a minivan and heading back to the cabins.
With all of our merch!
We walked to the Contemporary. Now we are just heading back.
In my 30s, and I started. That goes into your inkwell.
So we are now at the playground. We hung out at the house for a little bit.
Hello.
I want someone to play tag.
Tag.
All right, Castle Collectors, we're back. We just got a pizza and a burger. We're waiting for it to be ready. We're playing on the beach right now. Just having the best time. This is a great resort. You're on.
So I'm building a tunnel and I'm putting sand in it.
Are you enjoying the beach?
Yeah,
Do you think it's a nice beach?
I like it here.
You like it here.